Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to master team performance tracking in ClickUp by setting up automated dashboards and clear accountability workflows. This is the best way to visualize work health and keep your projects on schedule. Step 1. Establishing task accountability. The foundation of tracking is ensuring every task has an assignee and a due date. Even for flexible items, setting a deadline ensures the task actually appears on a team member's calendar and priority view. For example, when you create a task like Draft Client Gift Order, immediately assign it to a specific person and pick a calendar day for completion. This triggers the task to automatically show up on their personal dashboard. Step 2. Setting up personalized calendars. Next, we'll use the Everything view to generate a global snapshot of your team's workload. Navigate to this view and filter by assignee to create a personal calendar for each member. Make sure to enable the display of subtasks and priorities in your settings. This gives you an instant look at upcoming deadlines and any overdue items that need your attention. Step 3. Building a performance dashboard. Now let's build a central command center using task list widgets. You'll want to build a personal dashboard for each member using 3 specific task list widgets, one for tasks due today, one for overdue items, and one for everything due this week. By filtering these by a specific assignee, you can quickly assess at a glance whether a team member is on track or if they need a check-in. Step 4. Tracking work health and onboarding. Finally, take your tracking further by using capacity and progress charts to visualize your team's overall health. You can even structure these workflows to manage 30, 60, 90-day onboarding timelines and key KPI tracking. By standardizing these views, you ensure that everyone knows exactly what they are responsible for and when it's due. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.